What's wrong, sweetie?
Here, let's get you some snacks. Let's get you food. Let's go get you food.
All right, testing. All right, testing. Good morning, life, Steve. How's it going? This is crazy, guys. Literally, I don't know anyone that held this, but from our entry, 21,795, you're up over 200 points from last night. Dang. I got stopped out when this went back inside. I was thinking maybe I could have got back in when it went right back above, but I didn't like this channel here. It was like a 90 point, 70 point stop loss here, but who would have thought? Over 200 point gain overnight here from our entry. Got 8 minis ready. Yeah, I'm gonna be conservative. Last time I did that, I lost. Like the one time I go big size, I lose. So I'm being conservative. I got too cocky that one day. So let's get rid of these lines, but yeah, opens up in 6 minutes. We're gonna see some volatility here soon. Let me put that we're live here. Swing trade.
Your swipes. You want open, please? You say open, please. Mama. This is called noni.
Put our lines up. That way I can just drag and drop it to where I wanted to put it. As far as micros, I don't know what I want to do. I don't know, maybe 5? It just depends. I might do 5. It depends how big this orb is. That's what really matters to me, is how big the orb is. I feel like it's going to be a short. I feel like it's going to be a short and we go down. That's just my bias, but it's hard to say. I mean, we pumped up pretty big here. I'll post on X that we're live here. I'm watching Lululemon too. I don't know if that's going to give me an entry, but holy crap, KULR is down 24%. Man. Yeah, it's still going down there. GameStop is kind of holding. I think if it can get to that 24, I might take some off. It already did that the other day, though. HCTI, I don't know how this thing has not reverse flip, but this thing's up another 40%. Massive. Yeah, that one's always interesting to see. Victoria's Secret's up 6%. Market is opening up in roughly 3 minutes. PNBK. I was watching this one, but it just doesn't really have the volume that I like. interested in it, but it's just really slow. All right.
You prepare him to bring
The idea orb I want to see is 10 to 20 points. That's ideal. That's really what I want to see. How's it going, Bullerish Trades? How's it going? Welcome to the Discord. I noticed you joined yesterday. Good to have you. We'll see what we're gonna do here. But yeah, it's kind of insane. I could have, man, over 200 points if I kind of just. I need to start holding one micro, maybe. Maybe at the opposite side of orb, and if it takes a loss, it takes a loss. I don't know. These are not typical days, though. You won't see this a lot. These big moves like this. This is insane. All right, we got about 45 seconds. All right, 45 seconds. Let's get the dome ready here. Now, for the dome, guys, I'm going to right-click. Let's just have it on auto so I don't have to keep hitting it. So I'm going to right-click on the dome. The ask is selling, the bid is buying. So if I want to sell, I want to go to the bottom area of the dome and then buy at the upper. Because remember, we're doing breakout trades. So let's see what we can do here. We got about 10 seconds. This is going to have a massive move up and down. And I'm going to do... Honestly, how this is going to work, I could probably place my trades ahead of time. And then just drag and drop it. Honestly, that's not a bad idea. Do a stop buy here at 5. Way up in there. And then just drag it. And then do like a stop sell down here for 5. And then just drag and drop it. Let's make sure I don't get hit. Oh shoot, I already missed it. How did I already miss that? I didn't even hear the market open. Right here was the 9:30. Whoops. How did I miss that? Wow, I was so busy doing my things. I thought I was going to go like tremendously up. Yeah, that's a nice thing to do. You can put your orders in, but I got kind of like lost on the time there. It's fine. I can take the. I don't like this orb, to be honest. This is a really small orb. I was expecting something way bigger. What I could do is 13 to 24. I can take a 10. That's a. It's not too bad. It's a 9 point. It's not as big as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, my entry was up right here. This was the entry. I was expecting like some massive move. 32 to 76. That's already 40 points right there. How's it going, Furious Negotiator? Good to see you in the chat. $39 to 13. We'll see if this can pull back. If not, honestly, I'm totally fine with the $600 for today. I was kind of, yeah, I was kind of confused. Like, the 5-second candle was, like, not big at all, so I was a little confused on that. But, yeah, there's your breakout trade right there. Another, what is that, 2024 to 2097. You got 70 points in a matter of 2 minutes. I was so zoomed out that man, I don't know how I thought I had a little more time there. I should have had my orders ahead of time, but yeah, it is interesting. Like, you could actually put them ahead of time really far down and up and then just drag and drop it. All right, so we're coming back into the retest phase. I probably will take a retest here on that 5. down here. I probably would take that retest if it does. But ideally, this is a play that's already been done. I mean, you made over 70 points there. That's pretty freaking good. I don't know why the speakers didn't say market was open. That's what confused me. I don't know why my speakers weren't on for that. Usually it says market's open. Does this thing not have sound or something? Hmm. Do we have anything at Forex Factory right now? Nothing too important. I'm not seeing anything. So we can also trade credit spreads today too. I don't see anything bad with credit spreads. So I'm gonna look at SPX and we're gonna do 30-minute orb. Boom. Yeah, I mean, I'm telling you, if you guys literally, I mean, these are literally the moves you're getting. At least 20 points. I mean, 70 points in a matter of 2 minutes. Like, market's going up. The price break structure here. I don't know why my computer didn't say market was open. I mean, look how you had plenty of time to get in here. I was fiddling around with doing this other stuff. I really thought this 5-second was going to be massive, but I guess sometimes the market's kind of dry when it opens up. Then it went up. But yeah, it's just basic support resistance. We break resistance, and we just have a nice breakout structure here. If we retrace to this upper line, that is strong support. And if we go below, that is this support here. I'm shorting it. Okay. We'll see what we're going to do. The market's up like 1%. Pullback is definitely viable here. I don't mind a stop by there because we never had a single retest of it. If we came back down to this area, that's oftentimes a nice area for a retest. And then you put your stop sell down here. So basically, here's your order to get in, order to get out. And that's about a 12-point stop loss. It's not that bad. But yeah, I love the after hours the most because it's a lot more chiller in my opinion. It's going to take time to work on your speed. It's going to take time to say, hey, you know, is the candle's going to be big? Just focus on what's going on right now. Use your dome. But yeah, this was plenty enough time to get in. You can also see on Top Step this time zone here. It's 9:36:14, so just keep an eye on that. Ba-da-da-da-bum-bum-bum. There we go. Make it a little tighter, like a 9-point stop. Good job, Mr. Blonde. Good stuff, buddy. Let's look at MES. I was expecting a much bigger candle. I wasn't expecting a candle that small. I was like, oh, the market's open? I was like, is that the literally... Look how tiny this orb is. See, I don't like that. This is not big enough for me. I mean, a 1-point orb? You can get single, double, triple, quad orbs really fast on that, but we went from 60-69 to 60-79. Nice 10-point gain there on MES. Using the 15-second obviously was better for MES to make it a little bigger. MNQ, I don't mind the 5 on MNQ. That's a 12 point, 12 points. Good job, GB Chills. How many micros did you do? MNQ 10? Oh, you did 10. Okay. That's pretty good. I'm telling you, this really is like the holy grail of, do you want to get in and out of the market? I've seen people take 200 plus trades a day. You can look at my performance stats here. I'm taking literally 4 trades and making 6, people will be all day on their computer trading all day. I'm like, yeah, we're done in 2 minutes of trading. Either you win or you lose. You have a clear stop loss. It's based on pure price action. You don't need a single indicator to tell you, oh, buy here, sell there, and then other indicators are saying, oh, no, you want to sell here. The VWAP is telling you to buy. The MACD is telling you to sell. The EMAs are telling you to buy. To me, it's just so, keep it basic, simple. Price action is king of everything. It's real time. You can clearly see once you break this upper line, you're in. And that's why I like to have my buy right up in here. And that's how I did it after hours. Bam, you're in, right? Right now, what we're doing is we're waiting for the retest of this upper line. I could take a loss. One of my rules is like just take 1 orb a day or 1 orb a trade here. But this could be very strong support. And then if it does break there, I have my market here to sell me out, and I'm going to short this. I'm definitely going to take a short. But I could have missed this trade. I was kind of fiddling around with, I honestly didn't hear my computer say market was open. I don't know why this doesn't say that. I guess I just got to look on Top Step. I'm used to Thinkorswim saying market's open. Oh well. I'm happy to close on Monday with 200 USD profit. 200 per day sounds good to me. Yeah, everyone can make at least 200. Multiply that by 5 accounts. That's the goal. Nice job, Ursa. Yeah, for the Twitch guys, if you don't want ads, you have to unfortunately subscribe. Yeah, you have to subscribe. But yeah, that's literally how you literally could go out and do whatever the frick you want here. I mean, you made over 70 points, and honestly, if you met your quota for today, like I'm up 600, you don't even really have to trade if you don't really want to, but I'm gonna have like something big and loud to tell me when this is. It's all about speed though for the 5. That's what I'm working on. If you can work on your speed, the 5 is gonna make you so much money. The 15's nice too. It's just bigger stop. That's all that is. Bigger stop. Just like the 1 minute, the 5, the 15 minute. You increase your stop, the bigger the orb you go. I think we might just get a single orb all day. I'm done at 11. If we don't get anything coming back into price. Here's another thing, guys. If you see MNQ way above the orb and MES is not way above the orb, like you can see right here for MES, here is your orb for today. All right, so if price is like super close to orb and MNQ is not, don't take MES. Because MNQ is still showing you the single orb play. Like there's plenty of room. All right, and that's what I noticed last Friday. That's why I said I'm not taking MES. The orb is not good on MES. MNQ is showing like it could come way farther down. And so if you bought MES at the top of this orb, you got wrecked. Let's check gold. See what gold is doing. Big dump. Looks like holy crap! Did gold make you some bank here? Oh, where's the 930? Yeah, the 930 candle was like kind of boring. I don't usually see it like that. I mean, look at that. This is the opening session. Smaller than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a big move. So that's kind of what confused me. I was like, that's the opening. I expected something like this, a big fat green here. 2023, like a 20-point candle. Oh well. Is Palantir near a peak, close to time to buy? PLTD is too. Yeah. For Palantir, it's just so overextended. I don't even know where to begin now. But I mean, you could say that forever. I mean, making all-time highs all the time. Palantir,
Where's your books? Your books then.
In that case, hold on. Just the dust.
yeah. So look, Palantir is not even at the upper Keltner. Me personally, I would love to see the weekly EMA 20 and 50 again. I don't think we'll ever get that again for a while. So it's hard to say.
It's for the nails. Let's wipe your mouth.
It's hard to say.
Oh, yeah, that's
EIX slowly going up. It's gonna be a long one. I'm really interested in Weeble here. If this can go down and lower, I'm gonna just put some bigger stuff in it. Weeble's gonna be a good one. Oh, PLTZ. PLTZ. Yeah, that's the end. Oh, that's a short. Oh, okay. This one's new. They just popped this up back in June 6th.
winter diaper.
I personally wouldn't do that. I just don't like the shorting ones, I wouldn't do it.
Gentle with baby.
Yeah, I just wouldn't.
Baby. Don't touch baby's face, okay? Not baby's face.
Yeah, I mean, guys, if you're up a lot, you can literally just take the day off. A lot of people are twiddling their thumb trying to figure out how to play. You can literally just go out to the beach and do whatever you want. I mean, you're done trading in like 3 minutes with this setup. Or you can just trade the overnight session and not even care about the New York session. I think there should be a goal like, hey, if you're up $500 to, whatever your goal is, you don't have to trade every session. But every time I'm seeing this, the 5-second is giving you about 20 points, 10 to 20 points, and you just trail and stop it. And this gave you over 70 points. Like, that's pretty insane. Man, it's not going to come back, is it? That thing is so bullish right now. It's up 1%. So freaking bullish right now. Man, that confused me. I was like, the problem is I had my chart so zoomed out like this, and I put like limit order here, there. I didn't realize how small this opening candle was. What I wanted to do is I was just gonna drag my my buy order down to this upper line, and I had plenty of time to do it. It's just I didn't even know the market was open. What was I? I don't even know what I was looking at right now. That was weird. Anyone decided to zero DTE options? If I was not so involved with futures, I would definitely. If I wasn't in futures, I'd be doing zero DTE options on the bell. I really like that idea. Right up in there, we're waiting. Honestly, I could just wait for the double orb. I could. I want to take a double orb play here. What's MES doing? Let's see what's going to happen. What do you guys think? Up or down? I think we go back to the orb. I really do.
And diggers fix things. But I can't do it alone.
Oh, you want that one?
Holy crap. There's the candle there.
Go get it. Go get it. Here, you can get it. Oh, look, flowers. Nina. Nina. Nina.
All IPOs do that. It doesn't matter the company. A lot of IPOs pump and dump. Yep, they all do that. They go up big and they go down big. You can look at most IPOs. Robinhood did the same thing Webull did. But Webull's a really good one if you really just wanted to invest in Webull, it's pretty good. Alright. I don't think we're getting a double orb, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I backtested this probably for like 10 plus hours on TikTok. There was like one day, like one of the orbs lost. It did something like where it went up and then went down. But here's the thing. Like a lot of people go like, oh my gosh, the 5-second orb lost. And we get like, or the 15-second orb lost. We get like 10 wins in a row. And then it loses one time and everyone freaks out. But I'm like, did you take the double orb? Because the double orb gave us all the money back. I don't go like extremely big size. If you go big size, you will get wrecked in any trading strategy. So I learned that lesson on MES. I did like 3 minis that one time because I got cocky. I was like, wow, I don't think I could be making like $5 grand a day if I just did some minis. And the one day I do that, I get wrecked. So I stick to micros. Right now, for this kind of orb, you can do 10 micros just fine on NASDAQ. That one's not bad. This is a smaller orb. I personally rather protect my gains, so I would only do 5 micros. I'm not in a hurry to go big size. I think consistency is everything. Forgot to look at YouTube MLGO. I don't like MLGO till the what is it called? The RS. I mean, if you think Webull is going to $3, then you can just sell it. I don't hold it if you really think it's going to do that. I don't know what your crystal ball is saying, but I didn't know those things existed. But yeah, if your crystal ball says it's going to $3 and you're for sure about it, then sell it. SBET's up 30%. Let's see what SBET's doing. Yeah, I need one of those crystal balls. Here's 23%. Yeah, I made a video on this one. You know, usually the second day we make that move, but we gave it on the first day, so. Let's see, guys. So we got Thursday off. That kind of sucks. Kind of a slower market here. Yeah, we're starting to get like these massive, trending markets where it's just massive up.
Oh, but how will I find what to look for?
There it is. Next pump. Let's go. $23. GameStop's heading in there.
Me. And the people fly. So bring your pet together and book your stay today and strap in the
Now Celsius is going up big. There we go. Lululemon. I tried telling everyone, like, I know a lot of people are doubting the second strat, but it doesn't matter if you just got to understand the losses will happen, but stick with it. It actually is insane. I mean, you don't even have to trade the rest of the day. You're done. Look at this. Oh my. We're going to change the way, I mean, look at that. Here's the 15-second. It's freaking insane. 60, 70, 60, 95. And then your stop loss is literally 2 points. you lose 2 points on MES. Most strategies don't have a stop that tight to make these kind of returns. MES, I'm telling you, on the 15-second is always been golden. I had 10 wins in a row, and then I had 1 loss because I went too big size and I didn't play the triple. I also didn't. You got to look at the orbs too. It doesn't make sense to play MES sometimes if on the double. When you wait for the double and triple orbs, like if you see MNQ here, but then you see MES like really close to this orb, you got to wait till both these tickers cross the bottom orb to short it. You want to play the one that's farther away. Mike the Roll TA, thanks so much for the follow. Okay, so yeah, my speakers are not on for some reason. I don't hear. That's what's freaking messed me up. I didn't say market was open, and I don't hear any sounds. Why isn't my speakers working? Are my speakers working? Huh, I don't know why I didn't get a notified of the follow. I don't know. Yeah, congrats to who guys took it. I most likely would be back at 6 o'clock p.m. to trade the overnight session and make money there. The best sessions are the ones that do single, double, and triple orbs. Honestly, I don't mind choppy environments because bam, make money, bam, make money, bam, make money. You have more opportunities to make money. Whereas a single orb, it's just trail and stop it. I keep saying that, and once you make a good percentage, like I'm starting to realize like the potential of what you can make in this strategy. So once you start, getting that precise entry, price is probably not going to go back to this upper orb for a while. So you're at 2024 all the way up to 2224. You're up over 100 points. You're up 120 points right now on NASDAQ. So, I mean, it's not a bad idea to scale that one micro and just keep keep it at break even and put it at some big support levels. Like right up in here is big support. So if it breaks this big wick here, then take it out. Like right here, I would put the support, the last micro out. Same. So RM Campbell, so when you click, let me see if I can screenshot it. So when you click the manage sub, I'm pretty sure it's right here. Yeah, it should be there when you hit manage your sub and maybe get. That's what I think it is. I don't know. Let me look. How to subscribe on Twitch with Prime. I'm pretty sure that's it. You need to link your Amazon Prime and Twitch accounts to navigate to the desired channel. Select the subscription with Prime option. This will initiate. Yeah, so you got to link your Amazon and Twitch accounts.
Wow, look at that.
Click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button on the channel page. Choose to subscribe. Yeah, you choose to subscribe with Prime option. I'll just screenshot what I found from the ChatGPT. That's what they said. So if I go to, let me go to a random Twitch streamer and see what it looks like. I tried it on my own. It doesn't work like that. So do I have, so I've hit subscribe. Yeah, get a free monthly sub with Prime Gaming, then you got to sign up for that. Okay. So you just hit the subscribe thing. Lululemon. I'm thinking about taking out some GameStop. 23. Oh, there it is. My thing is working out. Randy, thank you so much for the sub. You figured it out. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so as long as you can subscribe to one Twitch channel with your Prime, and then it should keep it every, it should be free every month for you if you just used your Prime. Everyone usually has Prime, so. And now you shouldn't have any ads either. So that should get rid of your ad problem. I mean, I think in the future I'm going to stop streaming on, I don't know. I do it just so, it's engagement. A lot of people can find my channel doing this. Obviously, I'm not going to post my real-time education videos. They're all going to be in just for the Discord private members. So, yeah, I mean, but if you subscribe to my Discord, it's literally only $12 a month. One of these plays alone, making over, I mean, everyone should be making 200 plus a day on prop firms, easily. But yeah, like I said, if you're making $500, honestly, it's not a bad idea to say, hey, I'm done trading. I'm just gonna come back. I met my goal. Yeah, you could be greedy and be like, hey, I could be making like 1,000 plus a day. Nothing's guaranteed in trading. Right now, I'm just waiting for double orb now. I wouldn't even take the support on the upper orb. So that's just how I think about it. Greed is the #1 thing that kills a lot of people in trading. KULR, it's got to wait till after the reverse split. Yeah, I'm going to just wait till after reverse split on this one. It hit that lower Keltner. I don't think this is a bad RS coming in. They're doing this so they can attract big institutionals. I mean, This is one of your better small cap stocks. Um. Okay, I'll keep streaming, Campbell. Appreciate the input. So right up in here is our 30 minutes. So now for our credit spread strategy, guys. This is going to be kind of hard to get. I don't know if I would love a break of structure here. Do we have it on the 15? We do. We do have a 15-minute orb. But remember, 15-minute orb does double orbs more often than a 30. So I'm just kind of seeing what happens here. If we get a, I would like a break of structure, and then we have to have price come back inside of orb. To get 67 below 6,000, I mean, this is not going to give us much premium right now. We need to get below 6,003. Below 6,003. So you're looking at 6,000 and 59.95. You see the premium? So basically, once we get the double orb, yeah, I'm just gonna do one freaking contract here. And I'm putting this at 1.50. That's how I'm doing it. So once we get it, you just put this in your broker, and if it gets filled, it gets filled. You never need to stop. This is the strike I'm looking at. Right here, just slightly below that lower line. I just need to wait till 10:30 to see if we get a move above. Yeah, I appreciate it, Ruddy. Yeah, I appreciate that. You guys are all supporting me too, so it's the it goes around. I've learned a lot from a lot of people too. A lot of people. I mean, this strategy that I'm doing on the credit spreads, it was not from me. It's just from other viewers saying, hey, you know, we're getting hit by our stop loss. Why don't we just go higher premium? We don't get double orbs a lot. And then a lot of times price ends above that. And that's what we did last Friday here. We did a 1.7 premium. So yeah, look at this. We're getting above. I think this is going to be a nice trade. Yeah, you're gonna like it. I like the prop firms because if you're doing a live future account, you need a lot of money to buy like a one Nasdaq micro. Correct me if I'm wrong. Isn't it like $5,000 or something? It's expensive. So release a prop firm, you know, you just pay $50 for the evaluation. Pass that eventually. Take your time. I mean, even if it takes you 2 to 3 weeks, you're gonna learn a lot just from patience because once you have your real account, you're probably going to go smaller size to keep it anyways. And then you want to make sure you buy another evaluation account and pass that and then have another, you know, express account on Top Step. That way you can copy trade it. But yeah, making $200 a day is honestly really easy on prop trading. It's the people that go minis and... But yeah, you can look at my stats. I'm taking like... less than 3 trades a day almost. There's not much trading I'm doing. It really gets rid of a lot of the FOMO. You look at other people's stats, they'll be taking like over 100 trades a day. It's a lot. They're at their computer all day trying to take trades. And a lot of times you're going to get this single orb and it just lifts off. 22,177. Almost a 200-point gain on the NASDAQ. But it's good to see you, Mike. Hope you're doing well. Hope everyone's family. Did everyone have a good Father's Day? Anyone do anything exciting? Yeah, as far as some of the bigger cap stocks, I wonder if I should take out GME and I mean, we got that 20. I didn't get the $20 range. That's what really makes me mad. If I had that 20, it got so close to $20 when it broke that 2108. I think it did 20. I don't know if you guys ever ate at First Watch, but I've been watching this stock for a long-term investment. I don't know. Every time I go there, it's so crowded there. I feel like a lot of these stocks like that can go up massive. I think Lulu and Bulls So 1, 2, 3. This one I might promote is Lulu. We're coming into this big demand zone on the weekly chart. Right up in here, you got big support. Kind of like a double bottom on a weekly. I mean, heck, I mean, you even have this support down here. So let's just use this big. I mean, right here is your massive support. We went from 200 to 423 here, guys. For a big cap stock, that's pretty big. It's $89. The FMTO 10K and 200 to 300 a day is doable. I hope this will work out. Really, after years of strats, I hope this will work out. I'm actually coding an indicator for TradingView to automatically plot the orb liner box. There is an indicator for the orb. I don't know if Top Step has. Does it have orb? No, there is actually on TradingView. Does anyone know the indicator? I think Ag sent me that. I don't want to show you guys his DMs, but yeah, he sent me an indicator for that. I wonder if Top Step is like, yeah, Top Step has all of it. It's like TradingView. I actually did FTMO way back in the day. I personally thought they were over expensive compared to futures prop firms. I personally would stick to futures. They're way more cheaper. I mean, look at FTMO challenge. 50K on Top Step is $50. Whereas, whoops, I don't want to show you my thing. Whereas on FTMO, yeah, you're spending way over that for less the account. You said for 10K, you know, it's $89 euros, which is even more than USD. So I don't know. I guess do what works, you know. One second. I want to look for this. Pag sent me it. I want to look for that indicator. That's a good idea because instead of drawing the line, you can just have it right off the bat there. I think Orb is king. I like Orb a lot. Stick to basic price action. I don't know. Not seeing it. Type in orb, it don't show up. See, I don't think Offset maybe has all the indicators either. It's hard to say. No credit spread yet for me, guys. I didn't enter a credit spread yet. We don't have actually. Yeah, we don't have 30-man orb, do we? I don't think we do. SPX. Do we have it? No. You see how a lot of times it's coming back down. Okay, let me search something, or I could probably Google it. Yeah, you see how I type orb on TradingView, it shows up opening range breakout by ZZ Crypto, and yeah, but on Top Step they don't have it, and that's fine. I mean, it's not the end of the world. Top Step, I'll look into it. Till now, I was almost sure FTMO was the most solid, but I'll try that. 50K is 5 times for half the price. Thanks, dude. When the indicator will be ready, I'll send it. All right, thank you, Mike. Yeah, I mean, for Top Step, you're looking at $49 for a 50K account. Yeah, trust me, I tried FMTO. They were, and I don't know if they're like this still, but doesn't FMTO you have to pass, or FTMO you have to do 2 evaluations? You pass one phase and then you get to another phase, and then you get funded. Top Step is only one challenge. Once you pass the first challenge, you're in. I don't know if FTMO changed that. Step 1 challenge. Did they change that or not? I don't know. So yeah, if you wanted a 50K account on here, how much is... Yeah, 345. Yeah, you got step 2 verification. Too much. So yeah, there's still 2. So you're paying $345, but it is refundable, which is nice. You can get that back, whereas Top Step, you know, you don't get it back if you pass. So that's nice. I do like that. How it is refundable. Step 2 is free, and then the refund on Step 3, profit target 5,000. Whoa, that's more. Holy crap! Top Step is 3,000, so you got to make 10%. Interesting. So you got to do Oh wait. Maximum loss. Yeah. You got to make 5,000, then another 25. Wow, that's interesting. So they kind of make you go bigger size to pass those fast. I mean, and that's how they make money. They want you to go big size, hurry up and fail it in one trade. I mean, making $350, that's a lot of money. Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna alert in the Discord when I get in on a double, but as you can see, Price just did a single orb and it just took off. There's no retest at all for another entry if you wanted it. And this is why I'm saying a lot of the times is when you break structure, you get in. Either you do your market or you get in on this break here. The minute you break this line, you're in. I'm not really sure why. I thought Top Step will say market is open. So once you see this candle fluctuating, you'll see on the dome here. You see on the dome, you have the orders going here. I mean, you can really go fast with placing these orders. You know, right click up, right click down. Right click up to buy, right click down for sell. Even if you got in way up in here, you made insane returns. It's just the fast, you know, the faster you get at doing this strat, the better you're going to be. You're going to make more and more. It's practice without anything. You play a sport, the more you practice, the better you get. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. I will be doing a live stream in the Discord at 6 p.m. We trade 6 and 9:30, guys. So the 6 p.m. session is going to be in the supporter hangout. So if you're not in the Discord, try to join that. Hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. $12 a month if you subscribe on your computer, but I'll live screen my supporter hangout there. And honestly, the 6 p.m. session is so much more chill. I like it a little better. It's one of my most favorite sessions. We have a lot of volatility in the market. Just keep that in mind. We've been having a lot of volatility, so this will eventually calm down a little bit. But everything's good, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy trading and good day today. Peace out.